Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications on Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So if you're on Snapchat and you want to mute notifications from one person, or you want to completely mute it through all the messages, here's a quick tutorial on how to do it. Alright, so the first step is choose whom you want to mute. Tap and hold your selected person. Next, tap the chat settings. And as you can see, there's a message notification toggle that you can turn on or off. So that's a very easy method to mute someone individually if you don't want to hear when they sent you a message. Now, if you want to turn it off completely, any messages, any stories, stuff like that, we can do that as well. So tap on your profile on the top left, and then tap that gear icon on the top right. And now, you can see a settings called notifications. And inside, you can see a bunch of box or toggle depending on your device. Of course, you can turn them all off if you like to disable notifications completely. Or you can just choose, depends on your preference. Well, I hope this tutorial helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.